Welcome to Modern Girls. Today, we're celebrating style, confidence, and timeless beauty for women over 60. Embracing our natural beauty is a powerful statement of confidence. Aging gracefully means celebrating every silver strand and every laugh line as a badge of honor. It's about choosing gentle cleansers and hydrating serums that nourish our skin, along with daily SPF to protect our radiant glow. When it comes to fashion, think A-line dresses and tailored pants that flatter our figures, paired with soft fabrics like cotton and silk for comfort. Classic accessories like pearls and scarves can elevate any outfit, while layering and playing with color adds a personal touch to our style. And let's not forget hair and makeup. A flattering haircut can frame our faces beautifully, while soft blush and a touch of lipstick enhance our features without overwhelming them. Ultimately, it's about self-love and positivity. Surrounding ourselves with uplifting energy and staying active keeps our spirits high. Aging is a journey, and every step is an opportunity to shine.